everybody, welcome back. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and happy all the December festivity greetings. My name's Amara Andrew, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite Christmas mocktails. I've said that in basically every single video so far, but I genuinely mean it. They are all my favorites. That's how favorites work, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my gingerbread cookie tail. It made more sense when I had this as a cocktail recipe, but now I've modified it for a mocktail recipe, but whatever, it's delicious either way. This is going to be a mocktail recipe, but you can make it a cocktail recipe. Just add whiskey to it. Super good, awesome, I love it. I love whiskey too, but I don't drink anymore, so woo! So this is a super simple recipe. I hate gingerbread, but this is delicious. It's basically like drinking like liquid cookie batter essentially, which I really, really like. So I really like this recipe. Super easy, straightforward. So let's just get straight to the recipe. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a coupe glass or a martini glass. I just like a coupe glass because I think it is the most perfect drinking vessel possible. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, also the recipe for this is gonna be on my website at amaraandrew.com, linked in the description below. There are tons of other mocktail recipes there for Christmas specifically, and just for like basically anything. I also have a bunch of other Christmas mocktail recipes too on my channel here on YouTube, so go check them out. I have a less sweet Christmas wreath mocktail, which is really awesome. It's a cranberry rosemary mix, and then a peppermint mocha, and a couple other ones, so just go check them out. So like I said, you're gonna grab your coupe glass or your martini glass. Sorry, you can hear my little kitty. He's like, it's dinner time, shut up! Which I'm like, I agree, because I'm hungry. Sorry, kitty, it'll just be a sec. Okay, so take your glass, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna rim it with honey. For my vegan friends, you can do maple syrup instead, or you could do just regular like lime juice and just rim your glass. I'm doing honey just because it fits the flavor profile and I'm not vegan. I'm like holding this like a weapon. Sorry, I don't know why. It's like, ah! Anyway, we're not gonna get into that. Run it through your honey, and not your loved one, but just your bee stuff. I don't even know what I would qualify this as for like bees. Is this like bee vomit essentially, or is it bee poo, or like what is honey actually? I've never actually like thought about it until right now. Maybe I don't want to use this. Okay, so that is rimmed. So now we'll just set that off to the side. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a mixture of cinnamon and coconut sugar and just rim your glass with this. So it adds a little bit of sweetness, but it's not too sweet, and I don't know, it just looks nice and festive. Then you're just gonna set these off to the side. Then what you're gonna do, you're going to take a cocktail shaker or mason jar filled with ice, and then you're gonna take 4 to 5 ounces, depending on how big your glass is, of non-dairy milk. If you do dairy, you can do dairy milk if you feel like it. I'm doing oat milk, like I've said in the other video, and in just a bunch of my recipe videos lately, I am on an oat milk kick, so that is what we're doing today. But you could use any other type of non-dairy milk or dairy milk that you would like. Then what you're gonna do, take a teaspoon of vanilla extract, pour that in there, and then what you're gonna do, you are gonna take 2 ounces of gingerbread simple syrup. Now this is linked in the recipe, like I said, on my website. Super, super simple. It basically uses all of the traditional seasonings. Ew. It sounds gross when you say seasonings for like sweet baked good kind of things. All of the spices, there we go, that's the word I'm looking for. Whoa. It basically just uses all the spices that you would in like a normal gingerbread cookie recipe. I actually enjoy this better than gingerbread cookies, which I know I said I hate gingerbread, but this I actually really enjoy. I don't know why, I feel like I'm the only person that doesn't like gingerbread. Like Jeff, my boyfriend, loves gingerbread. My mom loves gingerbread. Oh, she was actually over this weekend and we made little gingerbread cookies. Really quickly, I just need to show you. So this is what kind of gingerbread cookie my mom makes. Very cute. Cute little scarf, cute little buttons, cute little face and everything. And this is the kind of gingerbread cookie I make. So, a little bit of backstory for this. My mom, for some fucking reason, wasn't eating a whole gingerbread cookie. She was eating the arms off of them. This isn't the only one that is armless. This is one of, I think, 3 that doesn't have an arm. At least she was consistent. She was eating the left arm only. But I was like, why don't you just eat a whole fucking cookie? Why are you ruining the rest of them? Love her regardless, but I was like, come on, Deborah, we're trying to make fucking cookies and you're eating the arms. What the fuck? So I decorated them as if they were injured gingerbread people. This one, his name is Eugene. He has X's on his eyes because that's just who he is. He's straight edge, I guess. This tells you all you need to know about my mom and I's personalities. Very cute and straightforward, little damaged, a little messed up, but still kind of fun. Oh, that said a lot. Said a little too much. Anywho, let's get back to the drink. I totally forgot where I was. Okay, gingerbread, that. Oh, so then you just add, oh no, you don't even need this. Okay, well I pulled out vanilla simple syrup and apparently I don't need it, so I'm just gonna put that off to the side. Maybe, yeah, that'll just go right there. Okay, so then we're just gonna mix up our mocktail, give it a good shake. I normally do about like 20 to 30 seconds, but I don't think this will need that much. Let's do 15. Let's just go for 15. Okay, cool. So then you'll just grab your prepared coupe or martini glass and then just strain your mocktail into it. There you have it. Nice, simple, and to the point. You could garnish it with a whole gingerbread cookie if you feel like it. I did not want to, so I am not. Let's give it a sip. That is so fucking delicious. That is so good. This is so much better than a gingerbread cookie. Why would you even need to eat a gingerbread cookie? Actually, let's try a little bit of gingerbread in comparison to this. I'm just gonna eat a little bit of the foot. Ugh, I just don't like it. This is so much better. This is so good. With a little bit of whiskey in it too, if you drink alcohol, you're gonna have a great Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday. That is the gingerbread cookie tale. Recipe is on my website, amaraandrew.com, linked in the description below. A bunch of other recipes, so go check them out. Also on my channel and blog. Go wherever, just go wherever the links are in the description and it'll take you to a good place, I promise. Yeah, so have a safe and great holiday season. I don't really like Christmas. I'm more of a Halloween kind of person, but I do enjoy decorating for Christmas, as you can tell. This is our living room. If you like this recipe, be sure to like this video, comment below. Do you like gingerbread? Actually, let me know because I want to kind of take like an impartial poll. So just let me know in the comments below. Okay, I will see you later. Bye!